driven by the aspiration to conquer international standards. Weldcom, an EPC contractor of technology lines and services in the field of steel structures, continuously innovates and pioneers the era of smart, efficient, and sustainable manufacturing. In 2018, Weldcom officially entered the manufacturing of steel structure equipment and components. From this milestone, the Bruco brand was born, carrying the ambition to create intelligent equipment researched and manufactured by Vietnamese engineers. Capturing 70% of the steel structure equipment market in Vietnam, Bruco has affirmed its leading position. All production processes are strictly controlled under ISO 9001-2015, ensuring that Bruco products are export-ready and present in major steel structure projects, both domestically and internationally. Building on this foundation, Weldcom offers 3 comprehensive solution groups for steel structure plants, with a portfolio of flagship production lines and equipment. Group 1. Automated beam assembly lines. Full VO820 automated assembly and welding line. A solution that fully automates beam feeding, flipping, tacking, and welding. It features high-speed, non-stop fly tack technology that allows seamless switching between tacking and welding. The system integrates precise laser seam tracking, ensuring stable and high-quality welds. This line boosts productivity in both tack welding and beam assembly stages, maximizing arc on time. Group 2. Solutions for wind energy, shipbuilding, and supersized steel structures. Bruco Wind Tower Base Welding Gantry. Designed for supersized steel structures with diameters up to 15 meters and weights of hundreds of tons. It enables precise and stable welding of large circumferences. This equipment has been successfully deployed by Weldcom for PTSC Vietnam in offshore wind tower foundation project, affirming Bruco's manufacturing capability and brand reputation. The Bruco 14-torch welding gantry is specially developed for the production of composite beams, steel structure components, bridge structures, and supersized projects, particularly suited for the shipbuilding industry. The system enables 14 torches to operate simultaneously, performing 14 parallel welds on both sides of the beam, thereby multiplying productivity, reducing setup times, and significantly shortening production cycles. Bruco DH1500 Cantilever Box Beam Welding Gantry, a specialized solution for heavy-duty box beams, applying triple welding technology with 3 torches operating simultaneously to boost welding speed and efficiency. The system integrates automatic seam tracking to ensure precise, stable, and high-quality welds for large box structures. Bruco GBH 4000, GBH 6000, GBH 8000, heavy-duty welding gantries, designed to comprehensively meet the demands of heavy-duty steel structure manufacturing. The gantries support flexible integration of advanced welding technologies, such as SAW, tandem MIG, MAG, tandem SAW, and triple SAW, delivering strong, stable welds with outstanding productivity. Group 3. Flexible and multifunctional beam assembly solutions. 80630S3A Welding Gantry. A versatile welding gantry designed for a wide range of common steel beams. From HIK and curved beams to box beams, the system optimizes workshop space and reduces investment costs, while still ensuring high productivity and stable welding quality. VO820 Beam Tack Welding Machine. Specifically developed to deliver high-quality, consistent, and stable tack welds along the entire length of beams. The machine integrates 3 main functions: tacking, welding, and straightening, fully automated within a single frame. In particular, to enhance robotic welding performance on complex steel structures, the R&D team has developed SmartRobotics, an intelligent robotic control software. SmartRobotics synchronizes welding paths, automatically generates operation files directly from product drawings, and provides collision warnings, reducing robot teaching time by up to 75%. Weldcom solutions have been deployed across numerous steel structure plants nationwide, from newly built facilities to upgraded and expanded production lines, thanks to our ability to meet diverse production requirements and adapt to competitive realities. We have earned the trust of leading enterprises such as Daidong, PTSC, Thaco Industries, ATAD, Hai Long, and many others. From a market leader in Vietnam, Weldcom is expanding to the global stage, affirming its name on the international mechanical engineering map at major construction and steel structure exhibitions. We proudly present Bruco equipment as a Make in Vietnam technological achievement to the global business community. Bruco machines have been successfully exported, installed, and operated in overseas steel structure plants, becoming a symbol of Vietnam's advanced manufacturing capability and world-class product quality. In an era where automation, smart manufacturing, and cost optimization are the keys to competitiveness, Weldcom delivers more than solution. We partner with steel structure enterprises to enhance production capacity, meet market demands, and help define new standards for a flexible, autonomous, and technology-driven mechanical industry capable of deeply integrating into the global value chain, elevating Vietnamese engineering on the world industrial map.